to my channel. If you are new, I'm glad to have you. If you want to know how to become a K Diamond, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the K Diamonds family. So girl, we are going to go ahead and make this watermelon juice in this juicer. So I'm gonna give y'all the secret. I'm gonna give y'all the secret recipe, and let's get into the video. How I usually like cutting it. This is about 8 ounces of juice. So we are going to pour in our glass container. We have a glass container here. And we're gonna pour. So that one fills it up just a little bit. So we're gonna keep going. Alright, so we're gonna put the rest of the, I still have some more to cut up, but need to put some salt or something. Okay, y'all, so I put the rest of it in here. So as you can see, it is a great juicer. Just starting off, it's very small, but just starting off, you could definitely try it out. I will link it down and just, you know, give you all the brand to it. But I'm gonna drink the rest of this in this bottle. I actually got these glass cups from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you all to see that as well. But let's go ahead and test it out. Girl, so good. And also, there's no pulp. There is no pulp, so you taste no pulp. But anyway, so that is my juicing, my watermelon little recipe. So I use watermelons. Sometimes I use lemon, but I didn't have lemon today. But I use watermelon, and I also use the yellow honeydew. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow for more. Bye, y'all.